Are you an Igbo bride to be? Searching for the perfect hairstyle? Look no further. This video will inspire you. So this video is about behind the scene of how we made a beautiful bride. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome my new subscribers. Welcome my old subscribers. Thank you. Shout out to you all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I was trying to so this is with the hair and installed the hair, and I'm using the got-to-be spray only and the glue so that it will be easy for me to remove it. I just put slip to so I'll be able to remove it after the shoot, so it won't be hard removing. Yeah. So shout out to Natasha, our makeup artist, MC Beauty. Shout out to her. So we all came up with this idea of making an Igbo bride, and she did the makeup so sweet, so fine. There's this funny thing that happens about makeup artists and hairstylists. Whenever they're working, there's always a struggle. The struggle is simply like the hairstylist at the back trying to get the hair, pulling the hair. Why the makeup artist will be like, you try to make the face perfect, you get slow down, madam. There's always this struggle together, and the ring light and all. So here's my beautiful friend Faith, who came to support us, and also she is the maker of our outfit. She made the dress, and so this is the hair at the back. It was already looking nice and all of that. It's already looking nice and all of that, and the struggle continues between the makeup artist and the hairstylist. Trying to make the hair perfect before putting the pin. We've spent hours by this time already. We don't spend hours already. So yeah, so we finished completely putting the pin, and the hair was all standing. So this is our beautiful photographer. See Timo, guys. Take a look at what we cooked, right? From the makeup to the bead to the dress, then the hair. So food is ready, served. I hope you guys like it. And so we noticed that the bead was kind of pulling the hair, the neck bead was, oh my god, this came out so nice and so well, despite all. Came out so nice and so well. Our photographer did an amazing job, and you see from the outfit, everything check. Please subscribe to my channel. You get